Hello, students. Welcome to my e-learning classes. I am Vidhan Krishna, your English teacher from Vidhan English Classes. Today, in this session, I am going to acquaint you all about a very important topic from grammar section, that is narration. In any English exam, this topic is definitely asked, maybe board exam or competitive exam. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The art of reporting the words of a speaker is called narration. कथित कथन किसी भी व्यक्ति की कथित कथन को अपने अपने शब्दों में किसी और को कहना. In our day-to-day life, we often have to give information about what people say or think. In order to do this, you can use direct or quoted speech or indirect or reported speech. किसी की कही हुई बातें अगर मुझे कहनी हो किसी और व्यक्ति से, तो हम दो प्रकार से भाषा बोल सकते हैं. डायरेक्ट स्पीच में जब हम बात करते हैं तो वक्ता के कहे हुए कथन को हूबहू रखकर भाषा की अभिव्यक्ति करते हैं. दैट इज प्रत्यक्ष कथन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपका एक मित्र मुझे मिला, कहीं और मिला और घूमते हुए मिला और मुझसे कहा मैं खुश हूं, और यही बात आपके मित्र का मुझे आपसे बताने हैं. तो भाषा कैसे बोलकर इस इंफॉर्मेशन को व्यक्त करेंगे? आपसे हम बोल सकते हैं कि देखो जी, तुम्हारा फ्रेंड रवि मिला था, रवि बोला मैं खुश हूं. दैट इज रवि सेड आई एम हैप्पी. ये एक तरीका हुआ रवि की बातें आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए. ने भाषा कैसे बोला, अभिव्यक्त आपको कैसे किया? रवि के हूबहू शब्दों को रखकर, और भाषा अभिव्यक्त हो गई. ये डायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाता है, प्रत्यक्ष कथन. दूसरा तरीका है, जो रवि बोला उसे मैं अपने शब्दों में बोलूंगा, पर रवि के कहे गए शब्दों का अर्थ बिना तनिक बदले. दैट इज रवि सेड दैट ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. यही शब्द या वाक्य को अप्रत्यक्ष कथन, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहते हैं. Thus, there are two main ways of reporting the words of a speaker: direct speech or indirect speech. Students, most of the time we need to use indirect mode of speaking or writing in our day-to-day life. Therefore, indirect speech में लिखना या बोलना हमें जानना ही होगा. But there are some major rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. To change from direct to indirect, we need to consider pronoun, the tense, words that describes time, place, distance, and types of sentences. But before we discuss the rule to change direct speech into direct speech, let's discuss the nomenclature of the structure of direct speech. For example, Ram said, I am happy. Ram said, this part is called reporting speech. Only Ram, this one, Ram. Reporting subject, said, reporting verb. Now come to the right side, that is right side of the inverted comma. I am happy. I am happy pura, whole. This is called reported speech. Only I, reported subject. M या कोई भी और verb हो, reported verb. Let's discuss the rules of transformation from direct to indirect speech. First of all, we will discuss pronoun related rule. To indirect rules for pronoun. So, first person क्या कहलाता है? I, we. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, it, they, all the names. So, in order to understand this rule, you must follow this formula SON. फर्स्ट पर्सन बदलता है सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार, सेकंड पर्सन बदलेगा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार, एंड थर्ड पर्सन नो चेंज. S फॉर सब्जेक्ट, O फॉर ऑब्जेक्ट एंड N फॉर नो चेंज. For example, Ram says, I was reading the book. Ram says, inverted comma के बदले में that. I, that is first person, this will change according to the subject of the reporting speech. So here Ram is a boy. So here we will write he. Ram says that he was reading the book. I was reading the book. This whole tense will be the same because reporting verb is in the present tense. Third person अगर आता है, for example, Geeta says to me, second person, Geeta says to me, you are going home. Geeta tells me, says to changes into tells me, that. In place of inverted comma, that. I am going home. So you is second person. You will change according to the object. So me यहाँ object है. For me we'll put here I. You are going home, present tense. So I am going home. Now next example, Dinesh says Rahul is reading my book. Dinesh says that Rahul is reading my book. My will change according to that. Rahul is reading his book. So here Rahul is third person. There will be no change. So Dinesh says that Rahul is reading. My is first person. So my will change according to the reporting subject. Subject here. Dinesh is a boy. So here his book. So now student, let's come to the rules for the change of tense. Simple present अगर रहेगा, it will change into simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Simple past into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Will, shall, would या should में, may into might, can into could, must into must or had to. Let's come to the example. You said they were busy the whole day. You said in place of inverted comma that they, third person, no change. They were, where is past tense here? This will change into past perfect. तो where का past perfect क्या है? Had been. They had been busy the whole day. और जो भी tense आएगा, that will change into corresponding. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, right side, whichever tense will be there, present tense में, it will change into corresponding past. Now students, let's come to the next rule. If there is a universal truth, proverbial, geographical truth, historical fact, factual truth, habitual fact in the reported speech of direct speech, then when we change into indirect speech, the tense is never changed. Example, the teacher said, the earth rotates round its axis. The earth rotates round its axis. It is a geographical truth, fact. The teacher said that the earth rotates round its axis. आप इसको पास्ट में बदल कर देखो, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब अगर पास्ट है इसके आधार पर, there will be no meaning in it. Similarly, he said India became free on 15th August 1947. He said that India became free on 15th August 1947. No change in the tense because this is historical fact. Now students, we will come to the next rule. Change in words or expression. Students, while we change direct to indirect, distance and time related words also changes. For example, this into that, these into those, here into there, hence into thence, now into then, today into that day, tonight into that night, tomorrow into the next day, yesterday into the previous day, thus into so, ago into before, just into then, etc. Now let's see some example based on the rule. Example, he said, I saw her yesterday. Here yesterday, it is time related word, so it will change into the previous day. He said that he had seen her the previous day. Saw here past tense, it will change into past perfect, had seen, and the time related word the previous day. Next example, he said, I saw a book here. He said that he had seen a book there. So all time related word, distance related expression will change in the similar manner as I had shown you in the table right now. You have to memorize all that. So dear students, it is not possible to cover whole narration in one video. So I will come up with the next video very soon. You will just consult in my expression, or you can say description box, and then you will be able to learn whole grammar narration portion. Thank you. See you in the next video, the next part. Till then, goodbye.